Hello everyone. Today we are going to use today we are actually going to see what would be the best laptop configuration for good use. So let's see. For example, a laptop, whichever laptop you want to use it, what would be the best configuration for the laptop that you can, whenever you will go to buy a laptop, what would be the best specs for your laptop or any desktop PC would be. So you can see it as follows. First of all, you have to see that what is your usage. For example, you want to use your laptop for office work, for example including video conference, chatting, office softwares, or anything, Skype if you want to use it on your laptop. So do you want to use it for a basic use, or you want to use it for teaching work, you want to use it for programming or running heavy softwares like any software you if you want to run Android Studio or Eclipse, okay, or you want to use it for gaming, or you want to use your laptop for video editing, producing videos, rendering videos, or all of the above, then a good laptop configuration is just right here. You can follow this slide to have a good configuration. So let's see. So basically key specs is that the processor which I recommend it is Intel processor. I recommend Core i5 to Core i7 because Intel processors are quite good nowadays, and earlier also that was very good, and I think Intel would be the good choice if you want to go to buy a laptop. And I recommend RAM should be 16 GB at least, okay, and hard drive I recommend it, do not use you can use it magnetic type of hard drives earlier used to come, and now also laptop comes with the magnetic strip type of hard disk, but I recommend the latest technology, that is SSD hard disk, and the memory size would be 1 TB. I recommend it, for examples, to store your movies, videos, and all your projects and PPTs. So I recommend higher storage, at least 1000 GB, and latest technology type of hard drive is SSD, so you should use that. And which OS to install in that hard drive is Windows 7 Pro. Windows 7 Pro, as it contains all the basic features of Windows Home also, and I recommend it to install it as a 64-bit because most of the softwares run on 64-bit. Now what about the preferred brand for a laptop to use, to buy? I recommend it as a Lenovo, Dell, HP, whichever brand you want to go, you can go for it. Lenovo nowadays are going good, and Lenovo series I have Lenovo IdeaPad 500, and you can go for any Lenovo IdeaPad laptop that are very good. And nowadays for student, for teaching purpose, nowadays touchscreen laptops are also coming. IdeaPad Flex 5i is the latest one, but I recommended do not take touchscreen laptop, because over the time it can be very much painful if you don't want to use it as a touchscreen laptop. And if you just want to go for a good laptop, I recommend it go for a basic one, but with these configurations should be must. This processor, this type of processor, and much more specs are need to come, like graphic card. If you talk about the graphic card, mine is AMD Radeon R7 M360. It's having a graphic size of like 2 GB. I recommend it to go for a higher memory size for the graphic cards. Intel graphics cards are also going very good, you can get for that. And AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT graphics, this is the graphic card that AMD provides. Nowadays it is going very well. You can go for it. It is the latest one. Their compute unit is 80 and all these stuff is there. Maximum memory size is 16 GB, so this graphic card supports 16 GB of memory, so it will run your games software very efficiently. But mostly the softwares and the IDE and the video editing, all that stuff which makes your laptop fast is the RAM size should be 16 GB, and the memory from which the software is used to run, it should be SSD. So SSD hard drive I recommend. And NVIDIA graphic card is also very nice. And versus AMD and NVIDIA graphic card, NVIDIA is best. Somewhat lag you can see in AMD Radeon, but no problem, it is also very nice for good use, and I recommend it. I recommend NVIDIA. If you are buying a new laptop, go for NVIDIA graphic card. That's it. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.